When it comes to choosing a family SUV in 2025, parents want more than nice interiors and fancy screens. They want peace of mind. They want a vehicle that protects their kids, survives tough roads, stays reliable for years, and doesn't destroy the family budget with maintenance or fuel costs. And while automakers spend millions on marketing, real families care about just three things: safety, reliability, and affordability. Every year, thousands of SUVs roll into service centers, and mechanics, parents, and car reviewers all see which ones truly stand the test of family life. School runs, grocery trips, road trips, messy kids, and everything in between. The truth is, only a small group of SUVs consistently earn the trust of families and experts alike. So today, we're counting down the 10 family SUVs parents trust the most in 2025. These are the vehicles built to protect, built to last, and built to keep ownership costs low, even after hundreds of thousands of miles. If you're choosing your next family ride, this list could save you money, time, and stress. Let's get started. Number 1. Toyota RAV4, the ultimate family workhorse. The Toyota RAV4 has become the go-to family SUV worldwide, and the 2025 model keeps improving. Parents love it because it checks every box. It's safe, incredibly reliable, fuel-efficient, and cheap to maintain. Toyota's hybrid system is nearly bulletproof and delivers outstanding fuel economy, making it perfect for daily family errands. Mechanics often say the RAV4 is the SUV that never complains, and parents agree. The interior is practical, the ride is smooth, and the resale value is unbeatable. Whether it's school pickups or weekend road trips, the RAV4 is a worry-free family companion. Number 2. Honda CR-V, the best all-around family SUV. The 2025 Honda CR-V is a parent favorite because it simply does everything well. It's comfortable, safe, fuel-efficient, and incredibly durable. The CR-V's hybrid model in particular delivers impressive fuel savings while maintaining Honda's signature reliability. Inside, the CR-V offers spacious seating, excellent cargo room, and easy controls, perfect for busy families. Safety ratings are top tier, and Honda's driver assist system is smooth and predictable. Parents love the CR-V because it feels like it was engineered specifically for real-life family use. Number 3. Subaru Forester, the safety king. If safety is the priority, parents trust the Subaru Forester more than almost any other SUV. Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive provides incredible stability in rain, mud, and snow, making it perfect for families living in unpredictable climates. The 2025 Forester continues Subaru's reputation for durability. Its high safety scores, excellent visibility, and strong crash protection give parents unmatched confidence on the road. Mechanics also praise Subaru for building SUVs that last well beyond 200,000 miles with minimal issues. For safety-focused families, the Forester is a top pick. Number 4. Toyota Highlander, the family-friendly three-row champion. For bigger families, the Toyota Highlander is one of the best choices in 2025. With 3 rows of seating, hybrid options, and Toyota's legendary reliability, the Highlander is a long-term investment that parents trust. The interior is quiet, comfortable, and filled with practical features for kids: USB ports, cup holders, storage pockets, and more. The Highlander's resale value is among the highest in the segment, and ownership costs remain low over time. It's the perfect SUV for families who need space but want something dependable and efficient. Number 5. Kia Telluride, the stylish family favorite. The Telluride has become a modern family icon. Parents love how it combines luxury-level comfort with affordable pricing and strong safety ratings. The 2025 Telluride offers a quiet ride, upscale materials, and one of the most spacious third rows in its segment. What surprises many families is how reliable the Telluride has been over the years. Mechanics report fewer problems than expected, and Kia's long warranty gives parents added peace of mind. If you want a premium feel without a premium price, the Telluride is the SUV parents rave about. Number 6. Honda Pilot, the most practical three-row SUV. The 2025 Honda Pilot is one of the most practical family SUVs available. It offers flexible seating, tons of cargo room, and a reputation for lasting a very long time. Parents appreciate its versatility, whether it's hauling kids, groceries, strollers, sports gear, or all of the above. The Pilot's new hybrid engine delivers impressive efficiency, and Honda's proven reliability makes it a worry-free purchase. Safety features work smoothly, and the large interior makes long trips comfortable for kids and adults. For large families who value space and durability, the Pilot is a top contender. Number 7. Hyundai Santa Fe. Stylish, safe, and great value. The 2025 Santa Fe is one of the most improved family SUVs. Parents trust it because it offers top safety scores, solid reliability, and excellent value for the money. Hyundai's long warranty is a major bonus. The Santa Fe's interior feels premium, with thoughtful design and spacious seating. Families love the easy tech controls, advanced safety systems, and smooth ride. And compared to competitors, the Santa Fe has lower long-term repair costs. It's proof that you don't have to spend big to get a safe, dependable SUV. Number 8. Mazda CX-5. Small SUV with big safety and quality. The Mazda CX-5 isn't the largest SUV on this list, but it's one of the most trusted. Parents love the CX-5 because it feels more premium than its price suggests. Smooth handling, quiet cabin, strong build quality, and top safety ratings. Mechanics praise the CX-5 for its durable engine, reliable transmission, and low-cost repairs. Mazda's engineering is simple, clean, and made to last. For small families, couples with one child, or anyone who wants luxury quality driving without luxury-level problems, the CX-5 is a perfect choice. Number 9. Toyota 4Runner. The rugged family tank. If your family loves camping, hiking, road trips, or outdoor adventures, the Toyota 4Runner is a legend. The 2025 model continues its old-school, body-on-frame reliability. This SUV is built to last decades. Parents trust the 4Runner because it's tough, predictable, and almost impossible to break. It's not the most fuel-efficient SUV, but families who want durability above everything else swear by it. Many 4Runners last 300,000, 400,000 miles with basic maintenance, making it one of the longest-lasting vehicles ever built. Number 10. Volkswagen Atlas, the spacious family giant. The Volkswagen Atlas is one of the most spacious family SUVs on the market in 2025. Parents appreciate its massive third row, wide doors, and easy car seat installation. Features families desperately need but rarely find. The Atlas has improved in reliability, and its safety ratings have consistently climbed. Mechanics say Volkswagen has simplified the Atlas's engineering in recent years, making it easier and cheaper to maintain. For families who want space, comfort, and practicality, the Atlas is a strong and trustworthy option. Choosing the right family SUV isn't about horsepower or flashy videos, it's about trust. It's about knowing your kids are safe, your vehicle won't leave you stranded, and your maintenance bills won't explode over time. The SUVs on this list, the RAV4, CR-V, Forester, Highlander, Telluride, Pilot, Santa Fe, CX-5, 4Runner, and Atlas earned parents' trust by proving themselves year after year. They're safe, they're dependable, and they're affordable to own long-term. So tell me, if you had to choose one family SUV from this list for 2025, which one would it be? The hybrid efficiency of the RAV4, the spacious comfort of the Telluride, or the rugged, unstoppable Toyota 4Runner? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more real-world vehicle guides. Because when it comes to your family, only the best will do.